Welcome to CloudAEye. This video will walk you through the different areas of the Anomaly dashboard. To get to the Anomaly dashboard, first go to a log service which has an analyzer added to it. If you want to know how to set up a service or how to set up an analyzer, please find links in the description. Once you are in the service, go to the Application dashboard by clicking on the Dashboard button in the Application pane. In the dashboard, go to the Anomaly section. Once it's loaded, among the first things you will see are 3 charts at the top. From left to right, they indicate the anomaly count, the confidence distribution for the detected anomalies, and a heat map that shows the anomalies as they occur in various services in the app. Below these charts, you will find the anomaly table, which details each anomaly's information. You can see how many times the anomaly has occurred and when it last occurred. If you click on any anomaly, it will take you to the respective logs Explore page with a filter, added to show only the logs that were classified as the selected anomaly. That's it for the tutorial. Thank you for choosing CloudAEye.